Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this SteelSeries Apex Pro HyperMagnetic gaming keyboard. It's the world's fastest keyboard out there. Adjustable actuations and OLED screen, organic light emitted diode screen, RGB and USB pass-through. It's on the market in Apex Pro Mini, Apex Pro and wired and wireless connection. We have here a wired connection. The connection technology is a USB connection because it's a gaming console SteelSeries keyboard. With RGB backlit, number of keys 104, and it's wired. And the wired way to play is the best way, of course, because we does not have any delay as with an Wi-Fi connected or Bluetooth connected keyboard. We have here fully customizable and stupidly fast with the OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. That means this is world's fastest keyboard. 20 times faster actuation, 11 times faster response than traditional mechanical keyboards. With a rapid trigger, Eradicate latency arising from the physical movement of the switch through the dynamic activation and deactivation of key passed on travel distance rather than a fixed point in the key travel. And we have the ultimate control. 40 levels of per key actuation. That means we can switch between 0.1 millimeter up to 4 millimeter. That's cool. We set WASD for light, ultra fast movement, for example, and set ability keys to deep presses to avoid accidentally triggering specials. And we have two one-action keys. The program two different actions to the same key, such as walking with a light touch or sprinting with a deep breath. And we have OLED SMART DISPLAY, as you can see. It delivers information at the glance from games and apps alongside a clickable matter roller and a media key. And we have USB pass-through. We connect an additional USB powered device. Wow. This is from the makers of the best gaming keyboards. This is an OmniPoint adjustable switches. This is the Apex Pro, the world's fastest and most advanced keyboard, performs effortlessly for all undertaking. Whenever we need the fastest keystrokes in gaming to destroy the competition, or deliberate presses for typing accurate, the power is ours to wield. We have OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. We win everywhere with the world's fastest keyboard. Overtake the competition with the switches that actuate 20 times quicker and have 11 times faster response. That state-of-the-art magnetic sensor achieved a near-instant response for the speed we want, because we have rapid trigger. Eradicate latency arising from the physical movement of the switch through the dynamic activation and the deactivation of the keys based on travel distance rather than a fixed point in the key travel. That's fast, from 0.1 millimeter up to 4. And with ultimate adjustability. The absolute precision and unmatched customization are at our fingerprints and our fingertips, with the ability to turn the registration distance of our keystrokes to the nearest 0.1 millimeter. Whenever we prefer to feel the light touch of 0.1 millimeter or a firm press at 4 millimeter, the choice is ours. And OLED SMART DISPLAY. We find vital information at a glance, such as GPU stats, notifications, and switch between the profiles and settings customized further with the SteelSeries Engine app. And aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. The Series 5002 top plate is identical to the metal used in jets for enhanced durability. And the really cool USB pass-through function. Conveniently plug in any USB-A device to the extra slot provided by the Apex Pro. Connecting flash drives, wireless dongles, or other USB devices. Now this comes with ease. This all is possible with this really cool looking SteelSeries Apex Pro HyperMagnetic gaming keyboard. This is the world's fastest keyboard on the market, and its adjustable actuation possibility, OLED screen and RGB, with USB pass-through. This is the Apex Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.